Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive, yeah. And howdy. Good morning, good freaking morning out there. We're going to be talking about perfect. What is so perfect about crypto right now? A lot of you are probably like waking up and looking at crypto and like, oh, geez, more red. What the heck is going on? So I'm going to tell you that this is a perfect time to be buying, guys, and it's not so bad. And what we're seeing is completely normal. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to make you feel better. So at the end of this video, you should have a smile, guys. So don't forget to go and smash the likes. Show some love out there, guys. And it's a great time. It's always a great time to be alive, right? Remember, go back and watch all my other videos. We're seeing right now that the fear and greed for Bitcoin right now, which is the total sentiment for Bitcoin, is still pretty positive. So overall, cryptos are okay from a sentiment perspective. Even though things are down, we're seeing that overall the markets they go up, they come down, they go up, they come down. But the overall picture is it's very much range bound. And we're seeing that most of crypto is just doing a crappy walk. And typically we see that in the summer typically we see that crypto is typically boring, not much is happening. Normally, June, July, August, pretty much consolidation, accumulation, and this is not unusual. And I'm going to show you some of the TA and the chartists are saying exactly the same thing. So typically summers are kind of boring and gloomy for crypto. But this is a perfect time, absolutely perfect time to be, from my perspective, my opinion, aping into to crypto. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Guys, did you subscribe? Subscribe, YB, bang on the head. And but we are seeing that, things like SHIB and Bonk and Floki are pretty much up right now. So, and even, pretty much up. Some of the key memes are up, guys. And I'm thinking that we're going to have a huge meme coin mania, guys. So let's take a look at the total market cap out there. We're seeing total market cap right now is at 2.57 trillion. That's down almost 1%. We're seeing pretty much most of the cryptos are down slightly, pretty much range bound, nothing too much to write home about. Ethereum is down. It's still up for the week though, but most of the cryptocurrencies are giving up most of their gains that they got from last week, and we're down. Solana is also down 6% on the weekly. XRP, ton is up for the week, so it's at 22.5, but still Doge is number 8, and Doge is still below 17 cents. So 17 cents is like a hard freaking target for Doge, but it's normal. Accumulation is normal, guys. So guys, let's take a look at this. This is from Red Capital. It looks like Bitcoin is going to weekly close below the range highs of its reaccumulation phase. Okay, this would likely send this Bitcoin to continue consolidation. This is normal. Okay, so let's highlight 2020, 2021. This whole post halving reaccumulation, the pink box, the red box, whatever box you want to have, the box. Okay. And, we see here that in 2020, 2021, we had this whole reaccumulation, okay? And this reaccumulation happened for around about 161 days. Then after that, we had a huge parabolic pump to the upside, guys. So we're seeing here, if we take a look at the halving retrace here, we did have a halving retrace. We are having retrace now. So far, we're looking like 154 days in this whole accumulation phase. So from my perspective, I think we're about 1/3 through that. Okay, so we're probably looking at another 90, 95 days, 100 days more of that. So that takes us like exactly into like September-ish, right? July, August, September. In September, we're gonna have this pump, guys, and just reflect back where we were, where we are now. We're at the all-time highs that we had in the last cycle, guys. Oh, it's not too shabby. So that is why I think that we're going to have a huge pump, guys. So the green is supposed to having parabolic upside, and that's coming, guys. So this is pretty typical. What we're seeing is we're going to see a huge accumulation. There's going to be some small peaks, some small valleys, small peaks, small valleys, just kind of like going to be sideways grinding. But this is a good time to pick up the dips, guys, before we have this, and it will happen, guys. Absolutely will happen. yeah, look what's going on. This will be the biggest Bitcoin breakout in history. Once this sideways accumulation finishes, and it will finish sometime in September, we're going to see a huge pump, guys. Trust me. And what's really going to be fueling that pump is ETFs. I mean, look at the daily ETF accumulation, and that's over 2,669 Bitcoin have been accumulated, and a lot of it was accumulated by BlackRock. 2,650 Bitcoin. GBTC, they're still selling off. I don't know what their game is. I think GBT are selling and BlackRock is buying. That's all I can think of. Unless they're baiting out Genesis. Okay. Now we've been following Solana for a long time, and I think that Solana is going to make a huge freaking move to the upside, guys. Solana is moving up in a strong uptrend along the 20-day moving average here, guys. On the daily chart, it just touched the SMA and rebounded. The next pump is coming soon, guys. I'm bullish. I'm absolutely bullish on Solana. I don't sleep on Solana, guys. I think that altcoin season is coming. We're seeing very similar pattern for altcoin season. We're going to see a long period of accumulation, and then finally we're going to get the breakout, guys. And the altcoin breakout is also going to culminate in September. That's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Some breaking news. If you're a Floki holder, Floki is up 18% in the last 24 hours and just flipped OP and Bonk to be the 45th project. It has outperformed Pepe, WIF, Doge, and SHIB as a top major meme coin this week. Coinbase will list Floki perps on perpetuals on May 30th, guys, which will be fueling that we could see a spot listing on Coinbase, guys. Floki could be getting ready to ignite, guys. May so far, Bitcoin is up. What are we seeing for Bitcoin? Bitcoin, once again, we broke out of this. I think that we're going to have an upward channel here, and we're just going to consolidate for a while, guys. We're going to see some consolidation. And I think that our consolidation is really going to be range bound between like here and here, here and here. I think we're going to see some really tight consolidation between, 69,000 and maybe top side of like 80,000. I think we're just going to be range bound through there. I think that for Ethereum as well, we're just going to see a lot of range bound accumulation out there. Dogecoin right now is 1665. We're seeing market cap is down and the volumes are light as we are still in the Memorial Day weekend. Guys, which meme coin would you buy if you had $1,000? Doge, Pep, WIF, Floki, Beam, Jasmine? Guys, tell me. I'd love to hear what you got to say out there. Keep in mind, Doge is still number one, guys, and Doge will always be number one. If you're whinging and whining, hi guys, smash the likes, subscribe, YB, subscribe. I don't know what you're whinging about. 85% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money, so I'm in the money, and 85% of you should be in the money, guys. So what are you waiting for? Dogecoin. Dogecoin is at 1668. It's just following this trend line slowly. Tomorrow we're going to have to stay above 1679 to follow this uptrend. But overall, guys, Doge, as long as we continue to hold these higher lows, and we're seeing higher lows here, and stay in the mid-range of the channel, a breakout to $1 will happen. And that could happen in September, October, November. Definitely between September and Halloween, we're definitely going to happen this fall, guys. Absolutely this fall, we're going to see a huge breakout, guys. What's next for Dogecoin? Can you guess? Yeah, a huge freaking breakout. Guys. Guys, don't forget to go down there and check out my link to NANO Leger. Guys, it doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps the channel. I get a small commission, full disclosure. This is from Alec. Dogecoin is encountering significant resistance between 16.6 and 17.1. We know that, where 75,000 addresses have acquired nearly 10 billion Dogecoin. However, once this barrier is overcome, Doge has a potential to double, with the next key resistance around 32 cents. 32 cents is our next key resistance, guys. So keep that in freaking mind, guys. Ain't no joke. Dogecoin is going to smoke all other crypto soon. And I believe that Dogecoin is not a meme anymore. It's mainstream, guys. So I love it. Let's get it, guys. Floki is doing Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is doing pretty good right now. Overall, we're seeing Shiba Inu is making some nice moves. Next resistance at 2,900, guys. So keep on keeping on. Guys, be blessed, be well. Go follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it. Or X, whatever you want to call it, guys. So be blessed, be well, keep on trucking, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.